Hi guys. Okay, so here's my weekly video that I'm trying to stay consistent with the whole the more you know. So first of all, I think I want to share, first of all, happy Tuesday. Hope everybody's having a good week. I'm having an okay week. Listen, every day is not fun in my industry, but that's okay. It's part of our job, right? So I know on Facebook, on social media, it always looks like I'm having a good time. I'm out there having a fun time, but I'm telling you, some of the struggles that you guys don't see on a daily basis kicks my butt. But then I get back up and I go again. So guess what I have right here? Who knows what this is? It's a flashlight. It's a flashlight, right? It's not a new toy, although I go around scaring people with this. It was necessary, actually, believe it or not, it was necessary. Somebody who actually works in the industry told me that I needed, in this industry, told me that I needed that based on the experiences that we have out there. So you would think that because we work with people's money and we're the bankers and the lenders and we sit behind a desk, that we're safe. No. So I don't know, I'm just really hoping, I'm scared, I'm really hoping that nobody takes this and uses it on me. From what I understand, this will knock you out. So anyway, I'm carrying this now, so don't mess with me. No, all joking aside, it's really sad that it has to get to that point and you have to protect yourself, but I know that I need to stay strong so nobody takes that and uses it on me. So anyway, I'm hoping everybody's safe out there and having a good day. So I wanted to talk about co-signing. So lately, I know the market is changing in 2018 and lending guidelines have changed and we've gotten a little lenient in some areas and then we've gotten stricter in the other areas. And if you notice and if you're following me, you'll see I actually posted something about how we used to lend in 2008 and how we lend in 2018. But more and more, as I'm pulling credit report, we're actually looking at people's credit report where there's a lot of co-signers. My most recent one was, hi guys, people are now actually messaging me saying hello, so hello. I actually just most recently over the weekend, that application that I took, this borrower, potential borrower has co-signed on 2 different mortgages. One, he had done it for his mom. The other one, he's like, I think for somebody, I don't remember. So how does that affect you? And then actually I was talking to a realtor earlier and he was telling me about, he had somebody that co-signed for a motorcycle or car loans. Car loans tend to be more common where people are co-signing. So when you co-sign for somebody, remember a lot of people are like, oh, I co-signed, it's not my responsibility. Co-signing is your responsibility. What you're saying is, I'm going to co-sign for Gucci and I take full responsibility if she doesn't make the payment. And I decide to flake because I'm going to go on vacation, I'm going to go to Vegas, I'm going to gamble the money away, and I'm going to come back and say, oh, I don't have any money and I can't make the payment. If you co-sign for me, now you have to make that payment. If you don't make that payment, your credit will be affected. Okay, so it affects your FICO credit score. It shows at the light as a call came through. It shows as a liability on your credit report. It also shows that you're responsible. So when you go to borrow, it takes away from your borrowing, your buying power out there. So how do you get around that? So let's say you co-sign for your mom, dad, brother, sister, friend, cousin, boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatever. If you co-sign for them, make sure the other person's name is on the contract too, whether it's a car loan or a home or anything like that. Second, you gotta make sure that they are making the payments out of their account, and make sure you're not joint on that checking account. Why? Because when we go to lend, we're gonna wanna see 2 things. We're gonna wanna see that you are on the contract and so are they. And then we're gonna see that they have been making payments for 12 months out of their account, and we're gonna need proof that they paid. That's the only way to get rid of it. Otherwise, that debt has to be calculated towards your income and your liabilities, and it can affect your buying power. So try not to co-sign, but on the other side, there are people that need help, especially people that are new to this country, or the foreigners tend to happen more, or people that are just trying to establish their credit. If you're looking to see how can you establish credit, There's so many different ways to establish credit out there. You can actually go to, I know, like Wells Fargo, B of A, and Citibank, or some of the major banks out there will do secured credit card. What that means is you put $500 in your account and they'll give you a $500 limit. They'll lock that balance in. That way you can't take that money out. So it's a secured credit card, and they will help you establish credit. You use it and pay back, use it and pay back, and it helps you establish credit. So there's credit card companies out there that will help you establish credit. But as far as co-signing, best thing is to do is to not co-sign, but you can't get around that. There are people out there that need help. So then you need to make sure that you paper trail it. Obviously, the people that you're co-signing for, you trust that they're going to pay their bills, right? Also make sure that they're going to be paying it on time, and then make sure it's coming out of their account. If you're boyfriend, girlfriend, or if you're mom or whatever, make sure that you're not joint on that account that the funds are coming out of. Because if you're joint in that checking account and the money's coming out of it, and you say, no, it's their money, their paycheck going into it, but if you're joint on it, we can't count that. So just remember that. So, you know, co-signing, it happens, but it is a hindrance. It does count against it. You are 100% responsible for it, just as much as the other person. So it's not 50-50. There's no such thing as co-signing, because way back in the days, my gosh, I started this so long ago, there's co-signing and co-borrowing. At one point, the co-signer wasn't so much responsible. All those days are over. If you're jointly co-signing on an account, you're 100% responsible for it. So that's the more you know for today. If you guys have any questions, comment below or text or call. You know where to find me, 949-307-2292. Hope everybody's having a good day so far. It's beautiful outside. It's sunny and beautiful outside. Love the Southern California. Go out and enjoy and have a fabulous day, and go out and be good humans. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.